Hey everybody, welcome back to Cody's How To. Today we're going to talk about the multi-flex tailgate. This is a fairly new feature for the Chevy and GMC trucks. You have 6 different configurations that this tailgate can do. So I'm going to show you all those configurations and how to do them. So first one is going to be your open and close. This is the closed one. Just push the bottom button here, and then here is the open. It does have the soft come down, push the button, it comes down. It does not go back up on its own when you have the multi-flex tailgate, so you have to put it back up. So that's one configuration. Push the top button here. Top part's going to come down. This is the second configuration. This is your standing workbench here. Your third configuration is by pulling this up right here. So if you have anything that's going to come up, it can sit on this and stop right here so it doesn't fly out of the bed. So that's your third one. For your fourth one, if you bring down the tailgate, you can open up the bottom here, so you have plenty of room inside here. You can also get speakers installed in this tailgate here as well. It's pretty neat. For the next one, what we can do is if you put it back up and press both the buttons here, it's going to come down and bring the top down, so you can have easy access to reaching inside of the bed here if you're going to load something up as well. And then your final one, you can pull this down. Not only do you have a step up into the bed of the truck, you can pull this up right here, so now you have a step and a handle to get back up. And then when you're putting it back down, you're going to close the handle first because the tailgate will stop it. So close the handle down. You're going to fold this in first, and then you're going to push it up like that to avoid pinching your fingers or anything like that. So a very neat tailgate there. Another great hidden feature about this is, let's say you have a hitch on the back here and you push the button, it folds down and slams into your hitch. If you don't want that to happen, you just push and hold the top button here for about 5 seconds. See the tail lights turn on and blink. Now, even if I press both buttons and it comes down, this top part will not open. It's going to lock in place so you don't accidentally slam on your hitch. So you just have your normal functioning tailgate just like that. And then to unlock it, you just press and hold the button again for 5 seconds, and then it goes back to your normal multi-flex tailgate.